Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Please ignore my hair this morning, it is not cooperating. Now I've got two angles set up. That one is like really jumpy because I'm doing a complete time lapse of what we're doing today, and what we're doing today is my computer is having an issue where every single time you want to start it up, you got to start it up twice, and like the mouse and keyboard have lights on them, but every single time they light up, screen goes on, off, no signal. It's really annoying. So in this video I'm going to try and fix that by going through absolutely everything, replugging, unplugging, blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's get into the video. Switch to camera time lapse. As you can see, I have like a really, like, it looks nice in front of it, like I have photos of it, but I've got a really messy setup like all behind it. Like I do need to clean up because I've got this big amplifier and these big old speakers here. Like, it is a mess. I do want to clean it up. Whether or not I do, I don't know, I might, but yeah, anyway, on with it. My hair is horrible. That is the brains of the system. Dusty as. I'm gonna clean this up. Hold on. Okay, so this is the slot there that the GPU was in. That's a LAN cord thing because my thing broke. I forgot, it's been behind my computer so long, I forgot that I actually had a water cooled CPU, so that's pretty dope. There was nothing really on this that I could see was actually affecting anything. Like, it was obviously very dirty. But other than that though, like it wasn't very bad. Turn this light off. Like, it wasn't bad. Actually, that's nice. Yeah, so it wasn't bad. I did clean up the pins on the back. There is a bit of a dirty pin. As you saw on the time lapse, I blew into the HDMI connector. Don't know if that did anything, but anyway, let's continue going through it and having a look, seeing if everything's all plugged in properly and all that. What I'm doing right now is just a really like test bench sort of test. So I've only just got it plugged in to the back of the GPU. Oh, we got a signal. There we are. So that's I need to turn whatever that is back on. So right now it's just a dry fit, nothing else plugged in. The keyboard is like sitting back under there. Just seeing if it'll work. The mouse isn't plugged in either. Like literally, it's just a video connection and a power cable. So just seeing if this works. Okay, so we have found ourselves running. Mouse is on, keyboard is connected. We're in the BIOS right now. I don't know really too much about this, but I do know boot. Full screen logo display enabled. So I did reset the BIOS. So I took out, where is it? Oh, okay, it's underneath. So in here there is a little button battery in here normally. That I did take out, and then I just press the power button a few times to reset that, like everything in the BIOS. That's an easy way to do it. So yeah, I guess we'll just settings, save and exit, save changes and reboot, yes, and see how we go. Okay, keyboards are on, screen is on, that's a good sign. We got that back up. Cool, that's booting into Windows. That's what I like to see. Okay, this has come back up again. Not sure why. Cool, so we're booting into Windows already. That was pretty good. If this has fixed it, that's going to be pretty awesome. I'm going to be really happy if just unplugging, replugging, blowing down, breathing on it a little bit, which you probably shouldn't do, has fixed it. I really hope it has. So once I'm in, I'm going to just restart it, plug it all back in the way I want it, clean up some cables, and I'll get back to you. Oh, okay, it's come back on. That's what it did, is it everything like cut out a little bit and then came back on. But I think we're going to be loading into safe mode in a second. Oh no. Here we are, we're on the desktop basically. So yeah, I'll get back to you once it's all plugged in and set up. Okay, so I just switched all cameras off for a bit because I had to go outside and grab some double-sided tape to put this little USB extension on the bottom for my SD cards. Anyway, gonna finish up real quick, the other battery's low. Okay guys, so everything is back up. Everything is back up and going. So right now, this is not Windows. This is my Chromecast running right now in the background, where I can like play my phone and whatever off of, which is pretty awesome. And then the speakers are plugged into the monitor, so I can listen to all the Chromecast audio with the speakers and all the computer audio also with the big speakers, which is epic. Anyway, let's turn on the computer. And this is literally the first time since I plugged it all back in and rewired it. It is so much cleaner now, I love it. We're going to turn everything on, so there's nothing that I wouldn't normally have plugged in running. Cool, so is it on? I'm going. Is computer on? Yep, computer's on. Mouse, keyboard. You can't see the mouse, but you can definitely see the keyboard there. Mouse is just there. Move that up. There we go, mouse is on. Cool. Oh, they've turned off again. They should pop back up in a sec. Going off of history. Oh yeah, they're back up. Awesome. Now let's reach around the back here. I've got like 7 buttons on the back that I just know what the buttons do, so I can really click through the menus quite quickly without seeing them. 3, 2, oh, I saw Windows for like half a second. Play that back. Oh, Windows is back. Come on, come on. The real test will be if I can shut it down again and then turn it back on. That's when we'll know that this has actually worked. Please wait, that's always good. I love waiting. Okay, we're on the splash screen. Now we're going to shut down again, and I'll come back when we try to power it on. Just do a straight shutdown. So we're doing a straight shutdown right now, as you can see. Shutting down, blah 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 blah, boring, boring, boring. And then we'll boot it back up. Cool, we're down, everything is off, can confirm. Cool, let's press the power button and see how we go. So yeah, it's jumped back over to HDMI 2, that's alright. It's good. Mouse and keyboard are on, as you can see down in that corner down there. Yep. Oh, that's awesome. I think we're back up and running. Now the problem that I had, I did the turn off fast setup, boot up, whatever. The problem I had was, last time I was in my computer, I was doing like cable management, so I had like sticky tape in there, and there was a little tiny strand of wicked off sticky tape that happened to be on the GPU slot, like inside of it, so I had to get some really fine plastic tweezers and grab that thing out. So that was awesome, and now it works perfectly. Hopefully we'll boot back in right now. Awesome, please wait, that's epic. We're in. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I can get to editing all these videos. See you in the next one. Goodbye.